Three AI tools now dominate the world: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Together, they're used by over 1 billion people. But here's the problem: most people pick one, stick with it forever, and never realize they might be using the wrong tool for the job, because these three are not the same. Each one is secretly better at different things. In the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly what each tool wins at, where each one fails, and which one you should actually be using in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly which AI belongs on your screen. Let's get into it. First, a quick introduction to the three. ChatGPT was made by OpenAI. It launched in late 2022 and became the fastest growing app in history. Today it has the biggest user base and the most features. Claude was made by a company called Anthropic. It's smaller and quieter, but it's become the favorite of writers, coders, and professionals who care about quality. Gemini was made by Google. Its biggest advantage is that it's built directly into the tools billions of people already use, like Gmail, Google Docs, and Android phones. So 3 tools, 3 very different companies, 3 very different strengths. Now let's compare them properly. Round 1. Writing and thinking. If your work involves words, this round matters most. Claude is widely considered the best writer of the 3. It sounds the most natural, uses the least robotic language, and handles long, careful writing beautifully. Emails, essays, scripts, and stories all come out sounding human. ChatGPT is a close second. It writes well, but sometimes over-explains and adds filler. Gemini is the weakest writer of the 3. It's improving, but its writing can feel flat and generic. So if writing is your main use, Claude takes this round clearly. For thinking through complex problems, Claude and ChatGPT are both excellent, while Gemini trails slightly behind. Round 2. Research and up-to-date information. Here, Gemini has a real advantage. Because it's made by Google, it has the deepest connection to live web search and current information. ChatGPT also searches the web well. Claude can search too, but Google's search backbone gives Gemini an edge for the very latest facts. Round 3. Coding. This one goes to Claude. Developers around the world consistently rank Claude as the most accurate coding assistant, producing cleaner code with fewer bugs. ChatGPT is also strong for coding. Gemini is capable, but usually third. Round 4. Images and voice. ChatGPT wins here easily. It generates images, has a natural voice mode you can talk to, and handles the widest range of media. Claude focuses on text and doesn't generate images. Gemini generates images too, and integrates well with Google's ecosystem. Now let's talk money. All 3 have generous free versions that are good enough for most people. If you only chat occasionally, you don't need to pay anything. The paid plans all cost around $20 a month. ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, and Google's premium tier are all similarly priced. So the choice isn't about cost, it's about what you actually do. Here's a simple way to think about it. If you already live inside Google's tools, Gemini is the most convenient. If you want the best writing and coding, choose Claude. If you want the most features in one place, images, voice, and everything else, choose ChatGPT. So here's the final verdict for 2026. For writing and coding, Claude is the winner. For images, voice, and all-round features, ChatGPT is the winner. For research and Google integration, Gemini is the winner. And honestly, many power users use 2 of them together. They cost the same as one dinner out per month. The smartest move isn't picking one forever. It's knowing which tool to open for which task. Try all 3 free versions this week and see which one fits how your brain works. If this comparison helped you, subscribe to TamcastHub. Every week, I break down the AI tools that are changing how the world works. I'll see you in the next video.